There is a group of men that history forgets, but their tale is told in rhyme. They are the legion lost to the last regret of the ones they loved and the ones they left behind. The job was far for the flanking guard, but the enemy she must burn 3 days in the morning. So off they set to the mountain's crest, for to spy her there in the valley far below. The road was hard on their bones and hearts, so they shrugged for to bring up the collar, and they sing for to keep up the color. We are the legion proud, no rest for the duty bound. Oh, we know hunger and we know how to follow, till the truth slipped out of the scout's own mouth, and it fell with the weight of iron. Men, we are a legion lost, best cut your cross, for the end is near and it's here we meet our Maker.